ready to elevate your accounting career. We're seeking a talented senior accountant to join our dynamic team in Toronto. This is your chance to make a significant impact. Lead lease accounting, IFRS 16, and oversee fixed asset transactions, ensuring accuracy and timely recording. You'll reconcile subledgers, review month-end entries, and provide vital reports for decision-making. Supervise staff, identify process improvements, and contribute to developing accounting policies. This role offers a broad scope to utilize your expertise and drive efficiency. This full-time hybrid role offers an annual base salary of $75,000 to $80,000. We prioritize career advancement and challenge our employees to excel in their roles. Join a high-performing team committed to teamwork and community involvement. We foster a supportive environment where your contributions are valued. You'll need a post-secondary degree in accounting or a related field, plus a minimum of 5 years of relevant experience. A CPA designation is preferred. Strong technical accounting, analytical, and Excel skills are essential. We seek a team player with excellent communication abilities, ready to meet deadlines. Don't miss this exciting opportunity to advance your career with a leading organization. If you're a skilled senior accountant ready for a new challenge, we want to hear from you. Click the link in the description to apply now and become a key part of our growing team.